Okay, so here's question number 2 from page 100, and you see how the asterisk, this question's asterisk, so you can go look at the answers in that Stevens Thinkdo selected answers or whatever I call the file in the course resources in Canvas. So, and and I know you know how to find those and you use that. So, but let's talk about how to do this problem because this is just like the one in WebAssign, except they have different numbers. So, suppose that some z-score has a probability of some event being less than that of 0.85. So they're asking us to come up with what are two reasons why it's it's 0.15 above. Well, I know the area under the curve is one. So what they're asking me right now is to find, let's see, how can I do is this the highlighter? They're telling me, how do I know that that area is 0.15? Well, one minus 0.85 is 0.15. Now, what's another reason? Well, I also know that because these normal distributions are symmetric, I know that on this side, if I had the negative of that z-score, that would also tell me there's 0.85 above that, and that would make it 0.15 below. Okay, so now B says, is the z-score positive or negative? Well, if it was negative, that probability would be less than 0.5 because remember, if z-score is 0, that has a probability of half the data or half the distribution is below it, half the distribution is above it. So we know it has to be positive because 85% is below it. So then this is asking us for C, what's the area between the positive and the negative z-score of that? Well, let's look at this. If we know that, I think you might already know the answer. If this is 0.15 above, in here, let me go erase it. Let's see if I can erase this. Yes, I can. And we know that this negative z-score is 0.15 below it. Together, those add up to 30% or 0.3, and what's 1 minus 0.3 would be 0.7. Okay, and this will work for any z-score or any time they give me a probability because of symmetry. So I hope hope to get the answer to that question. You know why it is, what was it? It was 90% below, so it'd be 10% above, so it should be 80 in the middle. Okay, for the one you posted for your version of that WebAssign. Okay, I hope this helps. I hope the audio is good on this version of this video too.